If you're a parent of a sixth grader, hopefully you're impressed at how much these students have grown since the first plucky and scratchy few weeks of school. We thank you so much for your support and your faith and just understanding that it's a process. These are difficult instruments to play, but you can see how much they've absolutely improved. At this time, I'd like to introduce our team. We have, I think, the best orchestra team